Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Again, this is another awesome project we worked on. We worked very hard on this one, 9-channel system. We had a stupid fun blast doing this whole thing. So please give us a like, smash the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to us. Remember to hit the bell notification so we can pop up and you can see our feed whenever we're doing new videos. And then if you are new to the channel, check out the rest of the channel. We do a lot of tech reviews, tech with the tech. We do some vlogging stuff, and then we do a lot of installs. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, we are 100% done on this one. Look at that bad boy of a screen. Oh, what's that little Divine AV acoustic transparent action? This all looks beautiful. He's got the same nano perf here in this house. That rack's all put in with your dual SPL 100s. Then he did an amazing job. That all looks super clean up front. Then he also got our projector there mounted. Looks amazing. That 50/50 image quality is to die for. But yeah, this is a 9-channel system as you saw in the whole install. All C16s around. And then those beautiful THX 504s, 3 of them right behind that screen. One of the best receivers on the market to power it, that 9-channel Yamaha 2080. This whole system is a thing of beauty, brought to you by Divine Audiovisual. So yeah, enough of my face and me talking. Let's get into those demos.
Morning mission. There's no need to worry, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos.
Alright guys, Derek with Divine AV back here with Mercedes. We are working on another cool home theater project today. This one is a 9-channel THX system. So you'll see here we got the 502s for the left and the right, and then we have a 504 center channel as well. And all those bad boys are going behind this screen right here. So was only 5.1 wired in this room, so I'm going to utilize the existing front stage, kick those guys in, kick the left in, kick the right in, and I'm going to run a new center channel for the new wire for the center channel. Overheads are wrong per usual, so I'm going to take those guys, pull them forward about 3 feet each. I'm dropping new lines for the backs. Mercedes is working on the sides right now, so there'll be new lines for the sides in this 9-channel system. C16s all around, C16 overheads. Piece de resistance is the 148-inch curved screen. We have a custom curved screen going in here. The reason we're going with the 148 instead of like a 160 or bigger is the slants are stopping us. So I'm kind of maxing out on that. If I did a 160, I can only mount the screen at about 18 inches, and I want to mount it about 25 due to us having 3 rows of seating in here. So yeah, first we're gonna keep working on that. Mercedes is gonna get those done, and then I'm gonna start working on pulling an HDMI. There was no Smurf tube wired in this room either, so there's no raceway that runs from where the projector mounts. So I'm actually having to go under this ground level. I have the subflooring that I can get under right there, so I'm gonna go under that and come out underneath the cabinet. That's how I'm gonna run my rears and my overhead, or my rears and the projection. As for the side surrounds, that part's really cool and easy because we're just gonna pop new wires and go up through the attic this way and pop up into the room. All right, guys, we're gonna jam on this one. I will check back in about 2 hours, 3 hours, let you know where our progress is. Stay tuned. All right guys, before I continue on with the project, I wanted to stop and talk a little bit about our THX speakers we use here. I feel these are highly underrated, and I think these speakers, Warren and I both heavily believe that these speakers will compete with any speaker out there in the market, any $1,000, $1,500 in-wall out there. You don't hear a whole lot about the THX series by Klipsch, but these are some of our favorite speakers ever made. And this guy is lucky enough to get his 502 here for the left and the right, and then we want that big boy 504 bumping in the center. So here's your beautiful Klipsch THX 502L. It's got two 5-inch drivers, hence the name why it's called 502. So yeah, you've seen these in some of our other installs, but here's this bad boy. Basically, the only difference between this and the 504 is a little bit more boom boom. You got 4 5-inch drivers, hence 504. Let's pop this guy out. Again, the THX line are some of Warren and I's favorite speakers ever. So I'm thrilled to be able to install all THX behind this guy's screen. And she is a beaut. Pull her out very heavy, by the way. Yeah, so she is a beautiful speaker. Getting a little close here for you guys. There's the THX 504. Let's pop her in. All right, now I can show you guys a little bit about the room. So I got all the fronts, as you saw, cut out. I ran 2 new sets of 16 gauge. The wire was actually good for the left and the right. I like the thickness and the gauge of the wire, so I'm happy with these. But I wanted to ramp it up a little bit for the center channel, so I just did 2 sets of 16 gauge. Mercedes just got the surround left and surround right put in. That's left, that's right. And then we got the backs cut out. Next, we're gonna drop and move these fronts. But yeah, we got those wired out and around. That's this wire right here that we're gonna run up under the carpet. And then this one's already run for the surround left. All right, guys, we are in the final stretch. We just got the room all cleaned up, receivers all hooked up. Mercedes is about to start working on programming the Harmony. What kind of remote is it? Harmony Elite. Then there's our front stage. Everything's in, everything's wired. Everything's beautiful. Projector's up. We just got a little bit of tie down left with that. That we're actually just gonna hack that off. That's a Velcro strap for tying down the HDMI. But I'll hack that off, all speakers are in. All we have to do is screen. So I'm gonna build the screen real fast, mount that sucker up, and then get you guys a demo. Let's keep rock and rolling. All right, guys, and here we are. You got your 148-inch screen, but it's 152 corner to corner, like 151 and a half. It looks amazing up there. Mercedes is working on the sensor up top. I didn't mention this before, but we are letting him borrow our, as a loaner projector in this Epson 6030. This is our projection unit that we have on loan. His projector is coming in a week and a half, as well as his cabinet. So we will be coming back here. For now, I just set it up on the Yamaha box and then put a little cover over it. But yeah, there's the dual SPL 100s and the Yamaha 2080. The Logitech, the Harmony Elite is on top of the Roku. And when he gets his cabinet in, Mercedes will come back, build it, and then we'll put all that together. All right, guys, and we're back. He got his 5050 in. Benny just took out our loaner 6030. So yeah, he's gonna go ahead, pop the mount on top of the 5050, pop that guy up there. He built his whole rack. He's a handy guy, so he did a good job building this rack, so we didn't have to charge him for that. It looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in right now. Benny's working on that. Pop the receiver in, pop the subwoofers into it. All right, how about that, guys? That was freaking awesome. Really cool system. Had a blast on this one. The 3504s back there sound amazing. Wish you could be here to hear it for yourself. It's a whole nother thing from watching it from your phone than actually being here in person. But yeah, no, we had so much fun on this project. Don't forget to like, smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and see you on the next one.